Hi, I'm Siobhan, and today we're going to go through how we at Creately use Creately to get our work done, and hopefully share some useful tips along the way. There are so many things you could do in our open infinite canvas that allows your teams to get together and interact in the most friction-free way out there. One of our favorite things to do is to run retros on Creately. And today we're going to give you an under-the-hood look on how we use Creately. Let's get started. First, we open up our retrospective template. This is a template we created just for our product team. On Creately, you could create a workspace and save it as a template. This is a great way to create your customized retro structure that works just for you. We like to create a separate folder for our retrospectives. Here, the team can file all the retros we have after every sprint. This is a great way to keep everything together and track progress. Before we get into the actual retro, we usually start off with some fun icebreakers. This loosens the team up and really helps in a way that team members interact with each other. What's great about the canvas is that everybody can reflect on the previous sprint and add thoughts on a central location. We start the retro by asking the team what went well about the previous sprint. Today, we're going to go through our latest feature, collaborative voting on the canvas. If you haven't checked it out yet, you should. We think it's pretty cool. The team then adds up all the wins and what they think went well in their previous cycle. This includes shoutouts, actions we should keep for future projects, and any other positives we want for highlights. The team contributes by adding reactions, stickers, and much more. We encourage the team to highlight specific examples by adding data and context to the notes panel. We then move on to the actions the team thinks they could improve on. Here, we want them to drill down into details. A great way to keep a useful discussion going is to have all the relevant documents available to the entire team as we proceed. We keep links to the project details for easy reference. On Creately, team members can use the spotlight feature when they want to bring attention to something. This automatically brings all users to one highlighted cursor. Sometimes, team members prepare short presentations to highlight certain issues. This can be done right on the canvas with presentation mode. Next, we move on to the planning for future sprints and corrective actions we can take. We try to be specific here and use this time to create a plan to address the issues we faced. We use the canvas to assign tasks to team members, assign due dates, and create trackable items. Once done, we convert them into a Kanban board that the team uses to track progress. Once we begin the next sprint, these items are easily traceable and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. What's great about Creately is its endless flexibility, which also allows you to design retros just how you need them. We'd love for you to check out some of our retrospective templates and let us know how running a retrospective on Creately worked out for you.